Hello, Saladmaster family. My name is Andrew Clark, and what we're going to be sharing with you here today is the importance of preparing your food on Saladmaster, which is clean and safe. And what we're going to show you here right now is a little thing called a scrub test. And we're going to kind of pretend that it's a cooking test. And what I have here is 4 clear glasses of tap water that I'm going to pour into each. We're going to put one into Saladmaster here, and we're going to put one into this non-stick pan. This is a non-stick pan. We're going to put a cup into there, and we're going to put some into this nice cast iron, very heavy pan here. We're going to put a cup into there, and then we're also going to put a cup into this aluminum pan that we have right here. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead, and we have just some stainless steel scouring pads, and we're going to put them in there. The first one that I'm going to do is with Saladmaster. We're going to take the metal pad and we're just going to go around in a circle. If you want to use a metal spoon or anything like that to stir, you sure can do that. So we're really going to put some pressure on this and really give it a lot of good scrubbing on the bottom. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one right here and we're going to put it into the aluminum. And you can kind of feel how it's already kind of even hard to scrub a little bit actually. But a lot of people cook on aluminum because it's a good heat conductor, but that might be all it's good for. That's just kind of the same length of scrub time. And the next one that we're going to do right here is we have a Teflon or a non-stick pan here. Now, most of those pans are scratched and they're kind of chipped a little bit, and yet people still kind of use them. A lot of instructions tell you that when it does get a chip or it begins to peel, you want to discard it immediately. And I don't know why they say that, but that's what a lot of them do say. So we're going to go ahead and take that one out. The last one I'm going to show you is a cast iron frying pan. And we're going to take this guy, same thing. We're going to take the stainless steel scrubber and we're just going to scrub the bottom of this guy, just like we did with Saladmaster, just like we did with the aluminum and the non-stick, and then this cast iron pan here. We're going to go ahead and do that. So we scrub them all now. And what I'm going to show you here is something pretty simple. Let's say if you went to your tap and you wanted to get a nice glass of water and you went over to your tap, and out of your tap came this. One thing you're going to notice is that Saladmaster is scientifically designed, and this right here has a beautiful dripless pouring edge. I can stop it, and the nice thing is you don't get a spout that runs down the side of the pan and onto the countertop. That's a small thing, but actually it's a big thing because then you don't have to clean your countertops or anything. So you can just pour, if you have gravy or anything, or soups or stew or anything you want to pour into a container, right there. Now I'm going to ask you a question. If that came out of your tap, crystal clear, would you drink it? For sure. Okay, if that came out crystal clear like that, we would drink it, no problem. Let's say you went to your tap the next day and you put your tap, your cup underneath the tap, and out came this. It's all kind of gray. If you look real close to that, it's kind of a gray thing. If that came out of your tap, you'd probably call the city, you might call whoever. You would call government and say, hey, what's going on? This cannot be good for me if this came out of my tap. But yet, what do we do in this? We cook in it. And what do we do with that food? Well, my goodness, we eat it. Now, what is this stuff? I don't know. But I tell you what, I know what we put in Saladmaster, and what comes out is the same thing. It's clean and it's safe. The other one that we have here is non-stick. And if you went to your tap the next day and you put your cup underneath the tap, and you might have to look closely here, but what I'm going to show you right now, it's a little gray, but if you look real close in here, you're going to see a lot of stuff kind of floating around. If you can see that, there's a lot of stuff. Now, what is that stuff? Well, that's the non-stick stuff. Is that stuff good for you? I don't know. But I can tell you what, if that came out of my tap, I can tell you I'd be on the phone calling the city saying, what is going on? I cannot put this into my bodies and even my family. There's no way that I would want to do that. Again, Saladmaster is clean and safe. Let's say the next day you went to your tap and you put your cup underneath the tap again, and out came this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's right out of a cast iron frying pan. Now, what is that? I don't know. But if that came out of my tap, I sure wouldn't be drinking it. So what do we have right here? As they say on the old 7-Up commercials, if you ever see that, the choice is clear. You know, we all have a choice in Saladmaster, and all of our customers have a choice, and everybody that sees our cooking show has a choice. We have a choice to completely ignore this information, or we can choose to do something about it. Most people choose to do something about it, and we want to make sure that we are preparing the foods for our families on something that is clean and safe, and that is Saladmaster. One other quick thing that I'm just going to show you here quickly. I just have a piece of a paper towel, and even when I clean this Saladmaster out, and I scrub this one hard, just like the other one, all it is in here, it's just a little wet, and it's just damp. But if I take another one here, and I wipe the inside of this aluminum pan here, look at that, it's all gray, okay? And Saladmaster is just wet. We have gray and wet. The next one I'm going to show you here is we have the non-stick. And if I scrub this one here and I take that off, what is in here? Look at that. It's all of the non-stick stuff, okay? That stuff is not good to go into our bodies at all. So Saladmaster here is just wet. This one is the gray from the aluminum. This one is the non-stick. And I think we know what's going to happen out of this cast iron frying pan is right here. And look at that, okay? I tell you what, we all have a choice, and all of us can choose to continue cooking the ordinary way and getting this type of stuff into our food. The food goes into our bodies, and then sometimes we wonder why maybe we don't feel so good. And what is this stuff? I don't know. But I tell you what, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to say, you know, this stuff probably shouldn't be going in our bodies. Where this stuff here, which is clean and safe, which is Saladmaster, and that's the last item that touches our food before our food goes into our bodies. Does it make sense that it should be clean and safe? And the answer is yes, it does make sense. Saladmaster makes good common sense. All right, so that's a very simple kind of visual test that we can do, and to show people the importance of what we're preparing our food on. You see, all of us have the time to make a decision, and when is the right time to make a good decision? When is the right time to get Saladmaster? Would you say that Saladmaster is cooking the right way or the wrong way? Well, it's cooking the right way. It's cooking the clean and the safe way. And that's what we want to make sure that we do. And when is the right time to make a good decision? The answer is now, right now. So thank you so much for letting me show you this, and let's keep spreading the good news of Saladmaster.